Are you currently working on a project? If so, you know how crucial it is to keep everyone on the same page and ensure that tasks are being completed on time. Fortunately, with TeamWave's project management app, task management is a breeze. Let me walk you through the steps to get started. First, head over to the Task tab in your project. Don't have a task list yet? No worries. Simply click on the New Task List button to create one quickly. Once you have your task list set up, adding tasks is a piece of cake. Click on Add Task in the list and give your task a name. Then go ahead and click on it. In the pop-up, you can set a due date and even assign it to someone if you want. You can also add optional details like tags for easy organization or upload related files. You have the option to make this a repeating task or a dependent task, both of which are incredibly helpful. If you make it a dependent task, it will rely on another task in the list to be completed before this one can be accomplished. Alternatively, if you choose to make it a repeating task, it will be added to your task list automatically at the specified time. You may also include subtasks under this task to break it down into more manageable chunks. Oh, and did you know that you can even add tasks via email? It's pretty amazing. You can find out more about this feature in the article linked below. Now, if you need to make any modifications to a task, simply locate it and click on it. You can then update the description, assignee, due date, priority, or tags with a few simple clicks. Plus, you can add comments directly within the task to keep all your discussions in one place. You can even see the activity history for the task to track all changes made to it since its creation. And add followers to the task so they are in the loop. It's worth noting that only one person can be assigned to a task. This helps keep track of who is responsible for each task. If your task list is set to private, any task within it will also be private. This ensures that only the authorized members can access the task within the list. So, there you have it. Task management in our project management app is effortless and stress-free.